Hi everyone, today we're going to get started printing our printable scrapbook pages from MimiLeeMade.com. It's very simple. All you have to do is open up your PDF that you receive in your email after purchasing, and then you need to make sure that you have the correct printer set. Mine is the OfficeJet 4650 from HP. But once you make sure you have that set, go down into your printing settings and use your printer's system dialog settings. So that's where I am in here, and right now I'm just choosing which pages I want printed. If you want them all printed, you just select all. And then you're going to go into preferences, and then you're going to click this advanced button down in the corner. This stuff you can mess with that I'm doing here, but it's really not necessary. The most important part is this advanced setting. You want to set your print quality as high as you can, and then you're going to go and turn off borderless printing. That is the most important part, because otherwise you will have a white border around your whole page. And that's it. You just click OK, hit apply, and then click print. And it's that simple, and the pages come out beautifully. And make sure you watch the next video to see how you can create a 3D effect. Thanks for watching.